Imagine running an agency, but having all of your clients be fulfilled with agents, with AI employees that you built, that you own, and that get better from just doing the work. That means if in one company, a playbook is discovered that does well, every other company that you serve also gets the same value without you having to show up for work, without you having to sit in front of a YouTube video for 50,000 hours. It gets better without you doing a thing. And if you own these AI employees, if you own these playbooks, if you have access to the data, you're going to own the thing that creates value in the future. And guess what? The only time a human ever makes money is when they deliver something more valuable than what they charge, something that the market can't build for themselves, right? I didn't build this car, so I was willing to pay, hundreds of thousands of dollars for it. That's why they built something so great of value that I was willing to trade hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars for it. That is the same mindset you have to have. Everyone needs to get in the game of what? Owning AI labor, owning the frontier of value creation, the next frontier of value creation, which is going to be AI. Stop thinking that you have to get smart and you have to do work. That's not the mental model. That paradigm is done for. In the next year, people are going to realize that this paradigm of having a job doesn't make any sense. You're going to own AI agents that do work for other people and you get paid for that. You can start doing this at your current job. You can start doing this at your school. Maybe solve a problem for your own self with AI agents and then start renting them out to other people. But it's scary to me that, or people are still treating AI as if it's just another, hype thing. No, guys, this is real. This is real and it is scary. And what's even scarier is that the rate at which things are changing is like nothing I've ever seen before. Even me and my team, as we're building these things, we can't keep up ourselves. We can't keep up. So sometimes I think about that. I'm like, how is the world population gonna deal with this thing? It is unbelievable. It is ridiculous. So you're either going to be on the side of the people who learned to build, employees that are AI first, that then you sell to other people, or you're going to be the one getting replaced by the people selling these AI employees, these AI agents, these machines that just do work for someone. And the reason why there's still an opportunity to get into the model, the business of building these and then selling them to others is because most people are way too busy to figure it out. And by the way, it's not that it's hard. It's not hard, but it's hard to even understand how to think through this new paradigm. That is the hard part, by the way. It's understanding enough where the world is going. That is if you understand that, and I'm going to make a video more on the process map and actually visually represent everything that I'm just covering. But the hardest part is understanding the world of AI. It's not integrating AI because you know what? AI can build it. AI can build whatever. Today for us, every company we're building, AI builds it. AI finds us the market. AI finds us the offers to sell. AI funds the funnels that are currently being used to print money. AI builds the ads. AI builds the assets. AI launches the ads. AI manages our ads. AI builds the sales script. AI fulfills for the client. AI does everything. So the hardest part today about making money is not the work, it's knowing what work to focus on. Hence why I'm saying in this video that your job today is to understand where the world is going, not get trained on how to be a cog in a machine. Like you click a button every day, the same stupid button every day, you're done, you're cooked, you're cooked if you think that that's what you're meant to be doing. If you're still going to school and you're waiting for your degree to get into the marketplace, you're cooked. Your degree is most likely going to be kind of useless by the time you finish school. I can bet you everything.